Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. This is an update to my off-delay timer DC circuit. The previous circuit, you may refer to its video below in the links, requires to be connected to the DC power supply 24/7 in order to operate correctly. This may shorten the life of the components, especially the capacitor and the IC. So this is an update that uses an extra relay, so it will only energize the power components during the time the timer is operating and running the load and not 24/7. Here is the AC line and AC neutral. Our circuit is represented with this block. It's a power supply. It's to be supplied by AC plus the DC timer. These are the reset terminals that empty the capacitor. This is an AC relay coil and this is the load. This is the lamp that we are trying to start. When you press the start push button here, it will energize this circuit and it will also energize the relay, the AC relay coil. So these normally open contacts, one for the AC relay and one from the DC timer circuit, will be closed. So when you release the push button, this will keep running and this one will be latched as long as the timer is running. When the timer runs out, this contact will open, so it will de-energize this circuit and also the relay and the load. What will happen next is that we need something to reset the capacitor too. And here we are using a normally closed contact from the AC relay to reset it. So again, this is the normal AC latching circuit. You may already know it. It's used to run the motors. You press the push button. The relay coil is energized and is latched through its normally open contact. But here, since we need to add a timer function, we added another normally open contact from the timer here. And in the same time, we use the normally closed contact from the relay to reset the capacitor. So when this relay is de-energized along with the circuit and the load, everything will be reset through this normally closed contact that will de-energize the capacitor. This circuit doesn't start until you press the button. That big thing in the middle is the AC relay. The mobile phone charger is our DC power supply. And the circuit is as before, except that it is reset with a normally closed contact, not the button directly.